Every girl, every boy, come and open up your eyes. There's a world right here, full of wonder and surprise.
Let's go and find the Fimbles!
Fimbles, Fimbles, Fimbles.
We're the Fimbles!
Fimbles, Fimbles, Fimbles.
We're the Fimbles!
Sing along, everyone can join our song. Fimbles, every game you'll find and play.
Right then, Pom. Oh, hello! Hello! Are you ready to play the game, Pom? Yes. You have to listen very carefully to what I say, and then you have to copy me. Okay. Florrie says, wiggle your arms. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. More. Florrie says, stamp your feet. Oh. Stamp, 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 stamp. Okay. Florrie says, scratch your nose. Ha! Got you, Pom. I didn't scratch my nose. Oh, Pom likes scratching nose. Okay, let's go again. Florrie says, follow me. Pom, having a bimbly feeling. Feel a tinkling, hear a sound. There's something awaiting to be found. Where is it? Where is it? What could it be? Something over there. Let's go and see. Where is it? I hear. No. Is it over there? I hear. No. Can you see it? Oh, can't find it anywhere. Squeak! Oh. No squeak. Squeak! No squeak. Squeak! Squeak? No squeak. Oh, it's a toffee squeak! It's a toffee squeak! Oh, there you are, Pom. Why didn't you follow me? Fine. Pom a Fimbly fine. Pom a Fimbly fine. A toffee squeak. A toffee which squeak? Oh, what do you mean? It's a toffee the squeak. I go... Oh, Pom, you sound like a mouse. All right, tell me which tuffet squeaks. There or there? There. Tuffet squeak there. Ready for it? Oh, no squeak. Oh no, Pom. No squeak. No squeak. Oh, tuffets don't squeak, Pom. Look, I'll show you. Ready? Tuffet squeak! Tuffet squeak! what's making the squeaky noise. It's a toy mouse. Hello, Mousey.
Oh, hello, you two.
Oh, hello, Bessie.
What is all this squeaking I can hear?
Look, Bessie, Papa Fimble's fine.
Oh, I see. It's a toy mouse.
Oh, yes. It was on the tuffet, and when Pom sat down, she thought the tuffet was squeaking, but it was really the mouse.
Pom sat on it, did she? No wonder it squeaked then.
Squeak, squeak.
Squeaky, squeaky. Here's something else that squeaks.
Oh, look, the dog wants it.
That's right. It's the dog's squeaky toy. The dog's squeaky toy makes a squeaky, squeaky noise. A squeaky, squeaky noise. A squeaky, squeaky noise.
The dog's squeaky toy makes a squeaky, squeaky noise. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Let's sing the squeaky song, Bessie. Sing, sing.
Lots of things make a funny, funny noise. A funny, funny noise. A funny, funny noise. Lots of things make a funny, funny noise. And this is how they do it.
Oh, I know. The little toy mouse makes a squeaky, squeaky noise. A squeaky, squeaky noise. A squeaky, squeaky noise. The little toy mouse makes a squeaky, squeaky noise. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Oh, come on, Pom. Pom sitting down makes a squeaky, squeaky noise. A squeaky, squeaky noise. A squeaky, squeaky noise. Pom sitting down makes a squeaky, squeaky noise. Squeak, squeak, squeak. A Florrie sitting down makes a squeaky, squeaky noise. A squeaky, squeaky noise. A squeaky, squeaky noise. Florrie sitting down makes a squeaky, squeaky noise. A squeak, squeak, squeak. Let's go and show Fimbo the squeaky mouse. Find Fimbo. Fimbo! Look, there's Rocket. Let's play a trick on him. Squeak, squeak.
Boing, wee boing, wee boing,
Oh, hello, Rocket. We brought someone to meet you. Yes, we have.
Oh, goody, goody. I'm always happy to meet someone new. Hello there. My name is Rocket. I am the jumping frog. Can you jump, little mouse? Cool. You are the squeaking mouse.
We're going to find Fimbo now.
See you later. Squeak, squeak. I am the squeaking frog.
Bye, Rocket.
Bye.
Squeak, squeak. Oh, look, there's Ribble. Let's show Ribble our squeaky mouse. Oh, hello, Ribble. Hello, Ribble. Oh, look at this. Oh, well done, Ribble. Oh, Ribble, clever. Oh, we're going to find Fimbo now. Bye, Ribble. Here comes Fimbo now.
Hello, Florrie. Hello, Pom. Did you hear a squeaking sound? I'm sure I heard something squeaking. It went... Yes, Pom, it did. So you heard it too.
We've been playing Florrie Says. Would you like to play too, Fimbo?
Oh, yes, please. That sounds like fun.
Oh, we've been having lots of fun, haven't we, Pom?
Are you ready, Fimbo?
Yes.
Right. Florrie says, nod your head. Nod, nod, nod. Florrie says, clap your hands.
Oh.
Clap, clap, clappity clap. Florrie says, sit down.
Oh, what was that? It's a squeaky tuffet. That was the squeaky sound I heard.
It sounds like someone's having fun.
Moaning. Fimbo, squeak, squeak, squeak.
Goodness me, what are you saying, Pom?
Fimbo, squeak.
Fimbo? Squeaking? I'm sure Fimbo doesn't squeak.
No, I don't, but this tuffet does. Listen.
Well, I never. It sounds like a mouse.
It is a mouse. Yes, a toy mouse. And it squeaks.
Well, a mouse that squeaks, eh? That reminds me of a story.
Dolly.
I'll be back in a Roly Mo. When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you will see? When you take a look inside a book, it's fun as fun can be. With cats and dogs and birds and frogs, a monkey who says boo, boo. Wonderful things, giants and kings, and maybe a fimble or two. Now what have we here? When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you might see? A story or rhyme, just take the time to read along with me.
It's the story time of day.
Time to take a break from play.
So settle down in your special chair. We'll sit here and you sit there.
Dolly.
Are you sitting comfortably?
Yes.
Good. Then I'll begin. This story is called The Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time, a tiny little mouse met a great big lion. The little mouse was usually scared of lions, but this time it was different. This lion was asleep. Went the lion. The little mouse jumped onto his great big paw. Went the lion. The little mouse jumped onto the lion's great big mane. The little mouse jumped onto the lion's great big nose, and just then the lion woke up. "Ha ha!" said the lion. "Please let me go," squeaked the mouse. "Let me go, and one day I'll come back and help you." "You?" roared the lion. "How could a little thing like you help me?" And the lion laughed so much that the little mouse was able to scamper away. Not long after, some men came to the jungle. They wanted to take the lion away, and they tied him up with some ropes. They left him there while they went to have their tea. The lion roared, and he wriggled, and he jiggled, but he couldn't undo the ropes. The little mouse had seen what had happened. Quietly, she began to nibble at the ropes. She nibbled and she gnawed until the lion was able to get one paw free, and then the other.
Soon the lion threw off all the ropes. "Shake my paw, little mouse," he said. "I was wrong to laugh at you for being small. You saved me. Thank you." The little mouse and the great big lion shook paws, and from that day on, they were the best of friends.
Did you enjoy that, little mouse?
Sing, sing.
Come on, little mouse. The little toy mouse makes a squeaky, squeaky noise. A squeaky, squeaky noise. A squeaky, squeaky noise. The little toy mouse makes a squeaky, squeaky noise. Squeak, 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 squeak.
Pom's done the duck makes a squeaky, squeaky noise. A squeaky, squeaky noise. A squeaky, squeaky noise. Pom's done the duck makes a squeaky, squeaky noise. Squeak, 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 squeak.
Oh, come on, Florrie.
Tinkling tree makes a tinkly, tinkly noise. A tinkly, tinkly noise. A tinkly, tinkly noise. The tinkling tree makes a tinkly, tinkly noise. Tinkle, 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 tinkle.
Oh, listen to this. Crumble crackers make a crunchy, crunchy noise. A crunchy, crunchy noise. A crunchy, crunchy noise. Crumble crackers make a crunchy, crunchy noise. Crunch, 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 crunch.
Lots of things make a funny, funny noise. A funny, funny noise. A funny, funny noise. Lots of things make a funny, funny noise. And this is how they do it. A Pom hug you, Fimble.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh,
Oh, well, my little chickadee, the Fimbles had a busy day today.
Can you remember who found the squeaky toy?
That's right, it was Pom.
Pom found the squeaky toy.
She heard it when she sat on it and it squeaked. That's right, Ribble. Pom thought she'd sat on a squeaky tuffet, but then Florrie found there was a squeaky toy mouse on top of the tuffet. They took it to show Fimbo, and on the way they played squeaky tricks on everybody. Yes, my darling ducky, they played a squeaky trick on you and Rocket. And then they played a squeaky trick on Fimbo by getting him to sit on it. Oh, that was very funny.
Can you make a squeaky sound like a mouse? Come and find us next time, won't you? Now, we must fly. Goodbye.